If you need to send a Google Drive file through Microsoft Outlook, the easiest and most reliable method is to share a Drive link instead of trying to attach the file directly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link Google Drive to Microsoft Outlook the simple way, so your recipient can open the file right from Drive. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, open Google Drive and find the file you want to send. This could be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF, or any other file stored in your Drive. Once you've located the file, right-click on it to open the menu. From there, choose Share, and then click Share again if prompted. Now you'll see the sharing settings. This is where you decide who can access the file. If you want the recipient to open it without requesting access, set the access to anyone with the link. Then choose the permission level you want to give. For example, you can allow them to view the file, comment on it, or edit it, depending on what you need. This part is very important because the permission you choose controls what the other person can do with the file. If you only want them to read it, leave it as Viewer. If you want them to make changes, select Editor. If it's something like a form or reference document, Viewer is usually the safest choice. After setting the permissions, click Copy Link. This copies the Google Drive sharing link to your clipboard so you can paste it into your email. Now, open Microsoft Outlook and start a new email by clicking Compose or New Email, depending on the version you're using. In the email body, paste the Google Drive link. You can place it anywhere in the message, but it's a good idea to add a short note above it so the recipient knows what the file is. For example, you could write, "Here is the Google Drive file link," followed by a quick explanation of what they're receiving. Once the link is pasted, you can send the email as normal. When the recipient clicks the link, they'll be taken directly to the file in Google Drive. That means they can open it instantly without you having to download and attach the file manually. This is especially useful if the file is large, if you want to keep one shared version updated, or if you're working with a team. Now here's something important to know. Microsoft Outlook does not natively integrate with Google Drive the same way it works with OneDrive. So if you're expecting a built-in Google Drive attachment option inside Outlook, that usually isn't available by default. That's why sharing links is the best method. It's faster, simpler, and much easier to manage. If you want to make the process even smoother, always double-check the sharing permissions before sending the email. If the access is too restricted, your recipient may get an error or a request access screen. If that happens, just go back to Google Drive and update the permissions so the link works properly. You can also use this method for multiple files by repeating the same steps for each Drive item, or by organizing files into a folder and sharing the folder link instead. That's a great option if you want someone to access several documents at once. So to quickly recap, open Google Drive, right-click the file, go to Share, set the right permissions, copy the link, then open Outlook and paste the link into your email. That's the simplest way to connect Google Drive to Microsoft Outlook and share your files correctly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.